right, so this week we have been talking about author's message, and yesterday we talked about it in nonfiction. The day before that we talked about it in fiction, but I want to add our book that we read today, The Junkyard Wonders. And let's think about, what do I think the message is of The Junkyard Wonders, or what can I learn from that book? So let me put the title. And let's just think about what are some lessons I could learn from this book. Maybe I could learn that it's okay to be different. And then I need to think to myself, was there text evidence in this book to prove it's okay to be different? Yes, there was lots of things that happened in that story that proved that. So, like the part where, sorry, I had a little interruption. Miss T came in, so I had to pause my video for a second. So let's think about maybe something that has happened in the story that proves it's okay to be different. I think when the teacher told them the definition of what a genius is, she's letting them know it's okay to be different. I think they have figured out it's okay to be different when they became friends with each other. Also, another idea I have is all people are genius in their own ways. And I think that is very important. So all people are important in their own ways. And in this book, there was a text evidence for that. So like maybe they all had their own gifts that they were good at, or they could build, or whatever their traits. They had their own good trait that they brought to their groups. And so remember, when we think about message, we can't just think about one little thing that happens in the story. We need to think about all the things that are happening and the things that I could really learn from those characters. Oh yeah, so today for your assignment, you are going to I want you to find a book that you've been reading, or a book off a Raz that you've been reading, or whatever it is, and you're going to tell me the title of the book. And you're going to give me the author's message or theme that you learned from that book. And you're going to give me 2 pieces of text evidence to prove your answers.